You have been looking for how you can make money online with crypto. As a beginner, you can start to earn 3.75 USDT up to 1000 plus USDT from this platform, and all you have to do is just click a task and you earn. So if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe and make videos on how you can make money online, cryptocurrency, side hustle, paper earnings, affiliate marketing, and so on. And also go ahead to the community, comment the video I should work on, and I'll go ahead and make research and work on it for you. So right now I will go to the platform and show you guys on how you can sign up and you can start making money. So right now let me show you guys a proof that this have actually earned me some money. So let me go ahead to my wallet. This have earned me some money to my platform, which I've already tested out for my old account on this platform. So right now I'll be showing you a fresh account where you can actually just follow the step by step on how you can also register, how you can recharge, and how you can withdraw your earnings. So first, let's click on sign up button. So on the sign up, you can register by your email or you register by your phone, and all you need to input is your email and a password, and also make sure you input the invitation code so you can get a bonus to your own deposit. So make sure you use the link or you copy the invitation code in the description box right now. So after registration, you log in with your details right now. So after you log in with your details, then you go ahead and start to make money. So let's go ahead and log in with my details right here. So right here is my details. So, and there are two ways you can earn on this platform, which I'll be explaining to you step by step. You can earn just by a specified amount of deposit, and you keep withdrawing every cash anytime. And the other ones I will show you guys later in this. Make sure you watch the video to the end, and I will show you guys on how you can earn in 2 ways on this platform. And also these are bonus you get when you deposit to your account. So let's click on open treasure chest. So after click open treasure chest, I earn 0.12 USDT to my wallet. So this is my first earnings, and price have been refreshed. So bonuses are here where you can actually be adding more earnings to your balance right now. So I'll be showing you first. This is the button for recharge, and this is also button for withdrawal, app, and the company profile. So you can go ahead and let's check up company profile. You can read more before you invest in this business and you start to make money. You can go ahead, read about them, and read ways you can make money online then. So right here is called task all. So for task all means these are the tasks you can unlock, then you start to earn more and more. So I'm in VIP 1 where I earn 3.75, and this is the minimum earnings that you can get to platform. You can earn over thousands. I have evidence that people are making money over here. People are making over $100,000 on this platform. So right now this is on the task page, and this is the only task I have to complete within few seconds, and I get paid 3.75 USDT to my balance, which I can definitely withdraw everything. So you can see right now to this remain task is 0, which means I've successfully completed to this task, and earnings have already been paid to my balance. So right here you can see this is 3.75 plus 0.12 I earn from the prices bonus. So this is a simple way you can earn. So I'll be going ahead and show you the next one. This right here is a gold mine on this platform. You sharing your invitation, and this is actually the second way you can earn on this platform. You sharing your invitation code, your referral link, you earn from level 1, level 2, level 3. So 12% commission, 2%, and 1%. You go ahead and earn. And right here is called the VIP, which are also the task all where you can subscribe more and you keep earning. So just one daily task will earn you over 1,000, and this can be done within few seconds. Then you earn directly to your balance, which you can withdraw to your bank account and to your crypto wallet right now. So right now we'll show you guys on how you can recharge and how you can also withdraw to your crypto wallet. So right here are the other VIP tasks where you can go. So let's go ahead and click on withdrawal page, and before I show you how to withdraw, let me show you guys how to recharge, because a unique address is being given to you and you must follow the rules and regulation recharging. So you recharging to unlock a VIP, want to start earning 3.75, you go ahead to the recharge button and a unique address like this will be given to you. Copy, and let's do an example. You go ahead to your crypto wallet. You don't have a crypto wallet, go ahead and download Trust Wallet, go ahead and download Binance and all other crypto exchanges where you can actually exchange your local currency to USDT. Then you can start to earn a passive income of 3.75 USDT to your balance, and you can withdraw it. So right now, let's do an example. You credit 15 USDT, and any 3.5 USDT every day is actually a good investment which you can go ahead and do, and also make your research also about for doing that. So right here, these are where you can copy the address and make sure you don't recharge more than the required amount, and make sure you deposit 3RC20. So now let's go ahead and withdraw from this platform. So I'm withdrawing 3.87. so let me go ahead and copy the receiving address where I'll be receiving my earnings. So you click on the received button and you click on the copied, and now let's go over and paste the address right here. Now let's input your password. So inputting password, you click on confirm, and there is no fee charge for the first time withdraw on this platform. So you have to just click on confirm and say withdraw successfully. So I'll be going ahead and show you guys the proof of payments of this in my crypto wallet in few seconds. So right now I've successfully withdrawn. Let's go ahead and check up the financial records. So on the withdrawal account, you can see how my earnings come in. You have 3.75, and you also have a lucky draw rebate, and these are the bonus that can be added to your earnings so you make more money on this platform. Adding your earnings on this platform, and you can actually transfer funds from your withdrawal account to your basic account, and which you can also use to invest and you start earning. So right now I'll go ahead and show you guys the proof of withdrawal in my crypto wallet. So right now I'll go here, let me unlock right now. So go back and let's refresh my page. Remember, I have 2.6 USDT, so refreshing my wallet right now, and this is a live. You can see right now 3.87 USDT have been successfully added to my crypto wallet. So this is a live withdrawal, and this is done, and you can confirm using the time on my screen to confirm the payment. So this is actually a repayment which you can go ahead and also you can start to make a passive income on this platform. So let's go ahead and see what other means and what other ways you can earn more on this platform. So if you watch me today, make sure you click on the subscribe button, comment your opinion, comment your views, and I'll show you guys how you can earn more. So right now on the team page where you can actually earn more from referring your friend, your family, and your fans, you earn commission 12%, and you copy your referral code, your invitation code, and you click on it and you keep earning. You build up a team where you can actually be earning you over 50 USDT online, and you can withdraw everything at all. Level 1 you earn, from level 2 you earn, from level 3 you earn. These are what we call passive income. And again, I have a Telegram channel where I post on how you can make money online. Updated link, new airdrop coming up from Telegram is being updated on my platform. So go ahead and subscribe, and also watch out for the new airdrop coming up on Telegram soon that will give, so we can all buy our dream Lambo. So right now guys, this is where I draw the curtain. So you go ahead, watch all other videos about how you can make money online. I post videos about side hustles a lot. So guys, subscribe, and thank you for watching.